Identify the chemical species in the starting mixture. The solution is prepared by mixing a weak acid, acetic acid, HC2H3O2, with sodium acetate, NaC2H3O2. Sodium acetate is a soluble salt that dissociates completely into sodium ions, Na to the power plus, and acetate ions, C2H3O2 to the power negative, in water. This combination of a weak acid and its conjugate base forms a buffer solution that resists changes in pH. Understand the effect of adding a strong acid. When hydrochloric acid, HCl, a strong acid, is added to the solution, it dissociates completely in water to produce hydronium ions, H3O to the power plus, and chloride ions, Cl to the power negative. Determine how the buffer counteracts the added acid. To prevent the pH from decreasing significantly, the buffer system must consume the added hydronium ions, H3O to the power plus. In a buffer, the weak conjugate base is responsible for neutralizing added acid. Therefore, the acetate ions, C2H3O2 to the power negative, present in the solution will react with the added H3O to the power plus. Write the net ionic equation for the neutralization. The acetate ion acts as a Bronsted-Lowry base, accepting a proton from the hydronium ion to form water and undissociated acetic acid molecules. H3O to the power plus plus C2H3O2 to the power negative gives HC2H3O2 plus H2O because this reaction converts a strong acid, H3O to the power plus, into a weak acid, HC2H3O2. The concentration of free hydronium ions in solution remains nearly constant, which accounts for why the pH does not detectably change. This identifies option C as the correct equation. The correct answer is option C, H3O plus plus C2H3O2 minus HC2H3O2 plus H2O.